Welcome back to part 2 of our fifth wheel renovation.
First renovation done. Way to go.
Way to go.
We will not lie, the first week of owning this fifth wheel was super challenging and we almost gave up. Cody was working super hard to get the lead leg fixed on the front landing system. Because we need the landing system to level the fifth wheel, we weren't able to open any of the sides in the first week. So we got started on little renovations like the front door holds, getting connected to shore power through my parents' house, but we needed a 50 amp adapter. I saw another creator who did a super simple, quick renovation of their screen door using spray paint. So I thought this would just be a quick day project. Little did I know it was actually going to take me 3 weeks to finish this. We had so much energy and excitement to get started on all these different projects that we had 1,000 loose ends to wrap up. As a very type A person, it was not working out for me. I ended up breaking things more than fixing things, like this window. I was trying to take the frame off to spray paint it and had absolutely no idea that the screws were holding both sides. So overall, we still did not fix the lead leg or get it leveled. Come back for part 3, it's been a wild ride.